Every career starts somewhere. With a story. Your story is about the people around you, the team who show up, the manager who trusts you, the colleague who leans in when things get tough. It's feeling like you belong. Because when people are backed, they grow. Your path is the journey you build, the opportunity you didn't expect, the skills you didn't know you had, the conversation that changed your direction. From where you are to where you want to be. Because here, growth isn't left to chance. And your impact? That's the difference you make every single day. Behind the scenes or face-to-face with patients, every role plays a part. Because when people grow, they're making healthcare better. For patients, for families, for communities. Your story, your path, your impact.